Jiangsu Hong Guan Machinery Co. Limited is a sub-branch of Taiwan Hong Guan Machinery Co. Limited, specialized in liquid processing, filling and packing turnkey solutions. We are focused on the products like drinking water, milk juice, carbonated drink or the liquid product. We insist on the principle that the function of equipment should be perfect, the structure should be simple, and the maintenance cost should be low. The good relationship between us and customers is based on our ability to provide complete professional planning in advance and have excellent mechanical functions and quality to create value and professional after-sales service. We combined with research and develop, manufacturing and assembly with 30 years experience. We have total 50 staff, 10 staff from Taiwan, the balance is China local. We make the major parts of filling machine in Taiwan and assemble with other mechanical parts in China factory. With the strong technical force over the years with well-known factories outside the country to jointly research, develop and manufacture a variety of excellent liquid packaging machinery and secondary packaging equipment. Through all, the employees of the factory continue to absorb and digest advanced technology. That our products have high efficiency, environmental protection, energy saving and other distinctive characteristics. Through all, the employees of the factory continue to absorb and digest advanced technology. Our products have high efficiency, environmental protection, energy saving and other distinctive characteristics. Companies adhere to market-oriented science and technology as the leader, quality as the main line, services protection. The company continues to implement the quality management system. Has passed ISO 9001-2000 Quality Assurance System certification and European Union SIR certification. The company sees quality as the life of the enterprise. We use this concept throughout the production of all aspects, continuous innovation, and strive to surpass to achieve the optimization of product quality. Provide our customers with excellent products is our pursuit of the ultimate goal. Hong Guan Company will adhere to the enterprise spirit of customer-oriented, driver-based, keep moving, and will focus on providing domestic and overseas customers with safe, energy-saving and efficient equipment for liquid, beverage, and with superior, fast and customized service. Since its founding, the company has supplied high-quality equipment and service to many liquid, beverage, plants in different countries and regions, with the products sold all over the world.